Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your school to your Anton account on the application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the avatar icon down below, which is the last option. Now click on Settings. Scroll down till you find the Account Settings section and tap on the School option. Here you need to select your country. And then type in the name of it. Tap on it. I'm going to enter my city. And as you can see, there are all of the results. Tap on the relevant one and then click on Select School button down below. So now you have added your school to your Anton account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.